guys, it's Deeki, and welcome back to another Final Cut Pro tutorial. On today's agenda, we're going to be doing a short recap like we always do. Then we're going to talk about how to add effects to our audio. And after that, I'm going to talk about some of my favorite audio effects to use. So let's get started with the video. I saved some audio to my computer and dragged it out onto Final Cut Pro. I'll leave the link to that in the description below, so you guys can follow along with me. If you don't know the basics of Final Cut Pro, then please go watch my first 4 Final Cut Pro tutorials, and those should get you all caught up on what you need to know. Now here's how the audio sounds. Pretty cool, except I think we can make it more interesting. To add an effect, we can go over here and click on that button, and it takes us to the effects array or page. In our previous video, we spoke about video effects, and in this video, we're going to be talking about audio effects. So the first category we're going to look at is the all category. The all category is all of the different audio effects compiled onto one screen. Distortion effects are changing how the audio sounds on a deeper level. They're not just affecting pitch or volume, but they're actually engineering or changing something about the audio. The telephone distortion effect sounds like the audio is going through a telephone. It's not completely clear and it sort of adds a muffled tone. To add an audio effect, you're going to drag and drop it onto the audio you want to add it to. And here's how it sounds. If you listen carefully, it almost sounds a bit higher. All of the audio effects are sorted into different categories within the subcategories. So within distortion or levels, they have all these different categories. And the categories are Final Cut or Final Cut Pro, Logic, and macOS. These differentiate where the audio comes from. So Final Cut Pro audio effects are original to Final Cut Pro, and macOS audio effects are made by Mac. Echo is pretty straightforward. It just adds an echo to the audio. So let's say our audio sounded like do. If we added an echo effect, it would sound like do, 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 do. Unlike iMovie, Final Cut Pro has many different types of echo effects, while iMovie just has one single echo. So please go ahead and play around with these so you can see the difference. They're very, very subtle, so I wouldn't spend too much time looking at these. And it's pretty much the same for the rest of these categories. I'm not going to spend much time on these effects since you're not going to be using them a lot. Just like video, we can change the speed and duration of audio. To do this, we're going to click on the audio and click on this little time button. Then we can change the speed of it. We have the options slow, fast, normal, and custom. And these all slow down the audio by a certain percent. 50% is faster than 25%, and 25% is faster than 10%. The same thing goes with fast. Now I want to talk about custom. In custom, we can select our own speed. So let's say I want the audio to go a bit faster. I want it to increase by 50%. So I'm going to change the rate to 150. As you can see, it sped up the audio. We can also reverse our clip if we want to by clicking on this button. Now let's see how it sounds. That sounded staticky, yet it sounded really cool. Like I said, make sure to play around with all of these different audio effects and see which ones you like. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Keep on eating donuts and be looking for more content coming soon.